Hello, in front of me I've got FAIRPHONE 4. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list where we can change brightness level of the screen manually or via adaptive brightness. Next, we can manage lock screen preferences like privacy on lock screen, add text on lock screen, show wallet, show device controls, and wake screen for notifications. Next, we can change screen timeout between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, enable or disable dark theme, change font size, display size, enable night light, schedule it and change its intensity, enable or disable auto rotate screen, network name, screensaver, and in the end we can enable visual enhancement. For image, video and game, we can change color mode and temperature, enable reading mode, and eye comfort mode. And that's basically it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.